Hi, this is Jonathan Gill, co-founder and CEO of Backtracks. I'm excited to show you a new feature that we've got in the player that allows you to customize the primary color of the player. And that carries all the way through to social media. When you embed the player in Twitter and Reddit and Medium, if you even share this link via text message or email and someone comes through that link, the player will stay intact in the color scheme and the selections that you've made. So this works on any instance of a Backtracks player. Your private content, assuming someone can authenticate to it, public content, anything in our charts and directory. So I found an episode of a podcast in our directory. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a range of audio. So I'm selecting both a start time and an end time, and I'm going to copy this URL, paste it in my browser's address bar. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the query string parameter primary color, lowercase primary, capital C in color, and then I can put any color name that's valid on the web. So I'm just going to put the word orange. We also support the various color schemes and modes, methodologies that are out there on the web and for designers to get the exact color that they're looking for. So that includes hex values, which if you're used to HTML, you might see commonly as a pound sign or a hash sign and a 6-digit alphanumeric string or something of that length. So sometimes it's like for black would be 6 zeros, or there's a short code of 3 zeros, so pound and 3 zeros. If you were going to use that, you would URL encode it. So that would be %23, and then the rest of the color code for the primary color. We also support RGB, RGBA, HLS, HLSA, any valid color scheme. You can pretty much get any color you want. But I'm just going to choose something simple, like a color that's a word, an orange. So now you can see that link found the player, navigated the user there, queued up the audio to not just the start time, but the range of audio. If I hit play, it would loop in that section. So now I'm going to take that URL, and then if I was to go send that via text message, send it via email, put it in Twitter, put it in Reddit, put it in various places. When that link is followed through the color scheme and the range of audio selected, we'll take the user there and keep all my settings intact. So what we'll do is we're going to send out a tweet, and the tweet's going to just use that URL. And then you'll be able to see that the player renders in Twitter. With Backtracks, you get all those analytics back in the system as well. So if you're sharing public content or you're sharing your content that you want out there on the web via our directory or other means, with the Backtracks player, it will render natively in Twitter in this example. So what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna, you can type any tweet text you want, any hashtags, any handles, but I'm just gonna paste that link. Then when I tweet it, Twitter has just updated. I'm just going to click a few links here. I believe it needs to go and refresh, but if I go here, it's taking a little bit, but here we go. It's updating shortly. So here we go. We've got a player for that piece of audio, and then it's got that range of content. And if I hit play, so you have Adam Curry, the Podfather, which you should definitely go research, talking about Southeast Austin. And I'm actually in Southeast Austin right now. Backtracks is an Austin-based company, and we're very happy to bring you features like this, and we hope you use it to the full effect. So to learn more about this and other features, visit backtracks.fm, and if you're a developer, visit developer.backtracks.fm. Backtracks is podcast analytics and advertising reimagined, and we're doing great, cool, fun things like this all the time to make your life easier and make your content more on brand in terms of the visual aesthetics, more capabilities on the audio, more monetization, and more analytic capabilities available to you. So again, check us out on the web, backtracks.fm, and check out the new features that we're bringing to you all the time. Have a great day. Bye.